So, Stacey and Keith, to be clear, this is not a partisan issue. ProPublica found both Democrats and Republicans have been exploiting loopholes to avoid paying taxes. And one name high on their list is Florida's own Senator Rick Scott. Tonight, Senator Rick Scott under fire after a ProPublica investigation found he used a loophole to dodge estate taxes. This loophole is utilized by more than half of the country's rich, according to the nonprofit newsroom that examined troves of IRS records. Law professor Richard Painter is a former chief White House ethics lawyer.
The estate and gift tax is there in order to tax wealth as it moves from one generation to the next. That's the law. Now, there are lots and lots of ways around it.
Here's how this particular loophole works. Assets are put in a trust assigned to your heirs. If the value rises, the profits can go to your heirs tax-free. Thus, your kids and grandkids can keep more of your cash. ProPublica found Scott used the Grantor Retained Annuity Trust, or GRATs, from at least 2001 to 2009. And the practice is perfectly legal.
If we can't say that it's illegal, what's wrong with trying to avoid taxes?
For every tax dollar I don't pay, somebody else has to pay. Ask yourself, if you're a voter for one of these people, how many loopholes do you lose? Or do you just add up the numbers, see what the bottom line is, pay the taxes?
Hi, this is investigative reporter Mahsa Saeidi.
Throughout the day, I tried to reach Senator Scott to talk about GRATs. I called his offices in D.C. and Florida, emailed multiple members of his staff, even sending messages on Twitter and LinkedIn. Scott's office would not even confirm receiving my email. The senator also declined to give a comment to ProPublica. Painter says it's time for this loophole and others to close.
These loopholes, a lot of wouldn't be there if Congress didn't create them to begin with, and Congress now has the power to close them, but they don't want to.
So would Senator Scott consider closing this loophole? Looks like we're going to have to ask him that question in person. We are watching his public schedule, and next time he's in Tampa, we will be there. Keith?